Hello guys, and today we're on the Government of Canada's plane here. It's pretty nice. We got economy, business class. Yeah. So we'll keep walking. It's a Airbus A330, which is nice. The bathroom, quite clean.
Really, I mean, unless it's a VIP or something like that.
So
Typically they try
we got cigarette tray because why not? And double bathroom, big mirror, toilet,
What about it again?
sink,
If it's empty, we actually carry ballast.
and yeah. So come follow me. We're gonna walk through here.
It's just math, right? You need a certain amount of that's right. That's kind of what I do is make sure things.
Economy. You come up to business class, which is quite comfy. Nice. Got this thing, which I kind of want. More business class. You got your nice headlights. And you keep going. More. Window to watch everyone, because why not? Over here, the other bathroom. You got first class. So when you sit down, you have to turn your head a full 90 degrees to watch the show. So you're sitting down, you're like, where's your show? Turn your head full 90 degrees to finally find your show. Same with this man here. Do it again. It's very sad. And yeah. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So let's see how I can watch my show here. I have to go like this. Oh yeah, now I can enjoy my show. Lots of lag room. Big tray table. Here. Your safety manual, which is nice. Your occupied thing, your bag, and yeah, so all your stuff here. And I don't know what that button is, but yeah. So let's head into the cockpit now. So let's go.